Good morning, Tigers. How's everybody doing? Okay, let's keep on moving and keep working hard like you're doing at home, guys. We can see everything you're doing, and oh my gosh, we are so proud of you, and we are so proud, and we are so thankful for your mom and dad, and your granny, and your papa, and your brothers and your sisters, because we're all in this together, and we're all getting through it together. So thank you, thank you, thank you. All right, now, what were we talking about last week? Can you remember what the rule was? We were talking about that sneaky E. And here's another sneaky E up on our screen right here. Now, 2 days ago, we talked about the sneaky E with the letter A. And then we talked about the sneaky E with the letter O. Today, we're talking about the sneaky E with which vowel? Which vowel is this right here? The orange letter. That is the letter I. Now, we know that the I has more than one sound. What does the normal letter I say? The short vowel I says I. What does it say? I. Now, what does the long vowel I say? I, because it screams its name. One of the reasons this I vowel is going to scream its name is because this sneaky E, this criminal E, is just sneaking up on that I, and it startles it and it scares it, and then it screams its name. So, what are the pictures on our screen that are some examples? We see a picture of what is this? This is something that can float through the air on a windy day, and you hold it by a string. What is that called? It is a kite. Very good. Does that have a long I sound? Yes. Now let's look at this one down here. I wonder what that could be. Do we think that's a kid? No, it couldn't be kid because kid has a short I sound. Could it be girl? No, it couldn't be girl because that doesn't have a long vowel either. It has an R-controlled I. What is she sitting on? This is a slide. Yes, that's a slide. So this is the picture that goes with our clues today. What is this right here? You ride it and it has 2 wheels. You ride it and it has 2 wheels. It's called a bike. Very good. So let's look at those words together. Let's look at them. I'm going to write 3 words on my board. And then we are going to read them together, okay? We're going to code them and we're going to read them. Okay, let's look at our first word. What is this word right here, guys? Now, first, let's see if we can figure out how to code it. Does it have a criminal E or a sneaky E at the end? Yes. So you're going to strike it out. Does it have a vowel anywhere else in the word? Yes, it's right here. So you have a vowel, a consonant in the middle, and then a vowel. So this criminal E, this sneaky E, is going to sneak up on this letter I and make it scream its name. So it's going to say I. Now, what do you see with this? What do you see right here? These letters blend together and say strike. Strike. Strike 3, the batter's out. Let's look at another word. Let's look at this word right here. Does this word have an E at the end? Yes, it does. We're going to cross it out, and then it has a consonant in between, and then you have a vowel I. This sneaky E's sneaking up to the I makes it scream its name. I. Put a macron over that. I. Now let's read this word together. Kite. Kite. How many letters are in this word? 1, 2, 3, 4. How many sounds do you hear? Kite. We only hear 3 sounds. Why? Because that E is silent. Now let's look at this word. Does it have an E at the end? Does it have another vowel? Does it have a consonant in the middle? Yes. So strike out that criminal E, and then you can put a macron over the I. And now you have mine. Good job, kiddos. Okay. I have another word I want to show you this morning. Let's see if we can sound this word out. Let's see if we can sound this one out. A lot of you are recognizing this right now. You're like, ooh, I know that word. That's a sight word. And you are exactly right. Now, what do you know about sight words? Can you sound out a sight word? No, you have to just know them by sight. You have to know them very quickly. But let's see. This looks like it might follow our long vowel sound rule. But if we were to cross out this E and put a macron over the O, this word would be comb. Nope, that's not comb. This is come. Can you come to my house? Can you come to my house? Not right now because of the coronavirus, but very soon we will all be together and we will be celebrating together. Okay? All right. So let me see if there's anything else I'd like to remind you about. Oh, one more thing. You know how we've been talking about picture cards, and our different rules have pictures. Like the TH digraph had a thimble, and it also had a thumb. This one, I'm going to give you the clue and see if you can figure out what the picture card is going to be for the I consonant sneaky E. Okay, the I sneaky E rule. This is a silver coin worth 10 cents. What is it? It's not a penny because a penny is worth 1 cent. And it has copper. It's made of copper. Who's on the penny? Abraham Lincoln. What's on the back of the penny? The Lincoln Memorial. Very good. Let's see. What is the coin that's a little bit bigger in size? It starts with an N. 5 cents. It's a nickel. It's not that one. So let's see. What could it be if it has a long I sound? It is a silver coin worth 10 cents. 10 cents. Called a dime. So when you see that dime card, and Miss Duncan went over it with you this morning because you're supposed to be watching her video every morning going over those sounds, okay? So you're going to be really, really, really ready for first grade, all right? So when you see that dime picture, you know that is the long vowel I sound because of that sneaky, sneaky E. So you did a really good job today, guys, and I will see you tomorrow. Keep working.